Hold on, let me zip the jacket. Hold on, cue the music. Cue the music. So it's early morning, guys. It's early morning, and I'm getting the kids ready for school. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so everybody's getting dressed, but I just wanted to make this video really quick to share my new CBD adventures with you. I just got my package in the mail. Let me send out some invites real fast before I showcase my stuff. So yeah, for the next for sure like 90 days, my main focus is going to be on me and my health and my weight loss. Okay, I gotta lose the same 20 pounds I lose every year, but this time I'm trying to lose it for good. Okay. Alright, that's enough invite. Hey everybody, thank you for hopping on. So yes, I want to show you my new CBD products. Okay, so I got my kit, Total Life Changes, okay? And I took it yesterday for the first time, and so I already have some results from it. Like, I can say that I have more energy. Okay, let me tell you what they gave me in it. Malachi. I just got shot with a Nerf gun. Okay, so I chose the CBD. They have a regular one with no CBD in it, but CBD is so important for the body. It basically, like, what does it do? Not activates, but I guess, yeah, in a way, it like activates your body's natural abilities to heal itself, okay, with the cannabinoids. And so I really felt like it was important for me to have some CBD in my body during this detox, okay? And so, yeah, this is my ISO tea with CBD infused, okay? There's 25 tea packets in here. I haven't even opened this one because they gave me a sample one in the raspberry flavor, so I'm looking for, this is lemon flavored. I'm sure it's going to be good. The other one was like raspberry lemon, and I thought it tasted pretty good. Okay, and then I got these Harmony drops because I really feel like I need to heal, okay? So, that's what it looks like. This is pure CBD oil, okay, to put underneath your tongue and basically activate your cannabinoids in your body so that your body can heal. And what's so nice about it is that, you know, you just take this and it already knows where to go. So wherever your inflammation is, it's going to go and help start clearing that out, okay? It also comes with these wristbands and a button, which I probably should take off and wear that to the gym. And it also gave me more samples. Okay, let me tell you what I'm really excited about. The tea is good, and I know that, you know, it's going to activate me, but this is what I took yesterday and made a huge difference in me getting some work done last night, okay? You see it says NRG, but if you say it fast, it's energy, okay? Y'all know I'm the energy empress, okay? So I took these, or I took one last night in like the evening time, one of these energy capsules, and I was able to get things done. I created my group. It's called Total Life Remedy. So I want you to be in that because it's for, of course I have my products. I want you to buy my products, but it's more than that, you know, because it's not just drink tea and then you lose weight. It just doesn't work like that. That's not how, you know, you'll detoxify your body and you will become healthier and you will have more energy. But if you really want to have like slim body results, then you're going to have to put some work in. And so I'm going to have exercise program, water detox challenges, just lots of information to help you along your journey, as well as if you want to go into business for yourself. There'll be a lot of information on there on how to start building your business. You know, even what I like about this program is that you can even just be a preferred customer and earn points to get your to get discounts on product. Okay, or you could go fully in business and earn 50% off the retail. Okay, so that is what my group is about, and I don't want to talk too long about. I just wanted to share the beginning of this journey. So let me know if you're interested in joining me, even if you just want to start with my free group and doing a water detox. I'm going to be adding some more recipes because I've actually been detoxing for a couple of weeks now, but I'm really ready to like step it up because another thing I say about getting supplements from somebody who, me as a person who has been on this journey for a really long time and who's gained and lost a lot of weight is that, yes, you can get all the natural ingredients that are in this tea. There's nine different herbs, okay, that are in this tea to help you detox. Yeah, you could try to get each and every one and eat them whole foods, and it would also work for you. But that's really expensive and really time consuming, and it's really hard to stay consistent. So when you really want to like scale up in life, you got to just kind of get the package version. If it's going to work for you, you need to just go ahead and do that so that you can remain consistent. Okay, consistency is everything when it comes to your weight loss and maintaining your health. Okay. So, yeah, that's my little spiel. And I'm so excited to show you guys the results. Also, I started a new Instagram. It's total_life_remedy on Instagram, okay? And my group is also Total Life Remedy on Facebook. Okay, so let me know if you'd like some samples. I can hook you up.